There are many ways to experience history. You can read about it, write about it, relive it. And if you're at the right place at the right time, you can watch as it unfolds. But the best way, the PACCAR way, is simply to create history. Today, as we hand over the keys to the very first Australian assembled DAF truck, you, we, and all of us at PACCAR Australia are doing just that, creating history. When customers do the math, they choose a DAF. Our dealers add enormous value when our customers choose to buy PACCAR products. We hope you're as proud as we are to see Bayswater stand alongside Eindhoven, Leyland, Westerlo and Brazil as the 5th DAF production facility worldwide.
What an exciting journey it has been. Travelling to Europe, visiting multiple PACCAR plants, our Australian operators worked alongside their Dutch counterparts for 2 weeks in their very impressive plant in Eindhoven, finally returning to Australia to use our newly acquired knowledge to meet production targets and ensure the best possible manufacturing outcomes. Now I'd like to present our official video of the first DAF truck that was assembled here in Australia.
Hi and welcome to PACCAR Australia here in Bayswater, Victoria. As most of you know, we've been manufacturing Kenworths here for almost 50 years. But this year marks the start of something completely new. We're extremely proud to be expanding our manufacturing to incorporate DAF trucks into our assembly line.
The idea of manufacturing DAFs in Australia really came from a desire to even more fully utilise the factory that we have here and the outstanding technicians and people and that great reputation we've built for such quality products. And looking around at DAF and the other PACCAR products, how could we broaden our offering to the Australian market with some really outstanding additions?
There's been a lot of work that's gone into setting up the DAF assembly section. Our manufacturing engineering team did a lot of work with regards to the layout, deciding where each stations were going to be sectioned and where all our parts were going to be delivered and the tooling required.
The truck starts in a store-built environment. We do all our pre-assembly, all of our frame assembly and piping and wiring, very similar to the order that we built at Kenworth. From there it goes into the paint oven. We paint the chassis the same way we would at Kenworth, and from there it follows down the main Kenworth line. We do the engine drop, follows down with the radiator drop, tank fit, the remainder of the piping. We do the cab drop after that. From here we then roll it through the final line area where it comes offline for our testing and validation.
When I found out that we would be building DAFs in our plant, it was a great privilege because they are outstanding engineers. We all admire the work they do and they're excellent products. So to have more to do with them, that's really exciting for us and for people all throughout this facility.
For us, the journey has just begun. The inclusion of DAF trucks ensures the future growth for PACCAR Australia and local manufacturing, as well as creating opportunities to add value for our customers.
To our 1,200 strong employees here at Bayswater, this is an investment that's about confidence and commitment.
Just to cast your minds back, it was about 6 months ago. I got a call to say that we were going to be the recipient of the first Australian-made DAF. We were absolutely thrilled.
It's fantastic, the fact that they're making DAFs in Australia, good for the Australian transport trucking industry.
Cahill Transport have now purchased in excess of 60 DAF trucks, with more on the way. We see them as an integral part of our business to our customers, while also providing a safe and comfortable workplace for our drivers. They love them.
Mick and Dan, we've got the keys to your truck here. Congratulations.